So I'm going to talk to you today about our mobile workstations. This one is from our X-Cart range. We have 3 different sizes available of them. This is the mid-range size, so there's one smaller, one larger, and these are designed to help with numerous use cases. So you might want to use these in your distribution centres, which can stop people having to walk back and forward from fixed desks, or you might want to use these in your retail stores, where you can use it as a queue busting extra till. So you can see in this example we've got here, there is a fixed scanner. We can work with any scanner, any vendor, and any other kit that you would like to put on here. So we've got various mounting options, whether you have a POS device, whether you have a handheld scanner, PC, tablet, etc. And you can see around this side of the workstation, we have an integrated battery and inverter built into the workstation, which means that you can power all of the kit that you will need on this workstation for a full shift. And if we do need to do any customization for you, that's really easy for us to do. All of these workstations are designed and built by ourselves, so we have full control over the process and the manufacturing for these.